Hi friends, welcome to college campus. Informal letter. In all kinds of letters, these are the 6 points that must be attended to. First, the heading, consisting of the writer's address and the date. Second, greetings or salutation. Third, message, the body of the letter. Fourth, the subscription or leave taking. Fifth, the signature. And sixth, the superscription on the envelope. The heading. It informs the reader where you wrote the letter and when. The where should be the writer's full postal address with PIN code, which gives the address to which the reader may reply. The when gives him the date on which you wrote. The position of the heading is the top right hand corner of the first page of the letter, the address above and the date just below it. Second, greeting or salutation. This depends on your relation with the person you are writing to. Generally, it will be dear and the name or relation of the person. For example, dear father, dear mother, dearest sister, dear uncle. To friends, it will be dear Sumit, dear Mr. Shah, etc. Third, the message, the body of the letter. This is the letter itself. While writing this, divide your letter into paragraphs. Use simple language, mention all the points you wish to, write neatly, put comma and full stops in their proper place. Fourth, the subscription. A letter should not end abruptly. Conclude the letter politely with subscriptions like yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours loving, etc. Fifth, the signature. This is nothing but the name of the writer. This should be written right below the subscription. Sixth, the superscription. The address on the envelope or postcard should be written neatly. Here is a sample letter from a daughter to her mother on her 73rd birthday. As you can see, the first section consists of the heading, that is, the address and the date just below it. The second section is the greeting or salutation, dearest mother. The third section is the message or the actual body of the letter. You can see that it has been divided into paragraphs. The letter reads as follows. Hope you are in the best of health and mood. On 20th July, you are celebrating your 73rd birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday, dear. Have a wonderful year ahead. May you live a long, healthy, active life and continue to be a source of inspiration for us. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything you have done for us, for the values you inculcated in us, for your encouragement, your support, and your friendship. Unlike most senior citizens of your age, who are rigid and like to stick to their old ways of life, you have embraced change at every step of yours. You learned how to operate computers and smartphones and have become an expert in all sorts of online activities. Hats off to you for that. I am glad that you are engaged in social work which keeps you busy. I am sending you a book which I think you will like. You have always been a great reader and I couldn't think of a better gift for you. Convey my regards to Father. Hope he too is keeping well and is busy with his social activities. See you soon. With lots of love and warm wishes. The fourth section is the subscription, your loving daughter. And the fifth section has the signature, that is the name of the writer, Sanika. The sixth point to be remembered is the superscription. The address on the envelope should be written clearly like this. I'm sure you will be able to write informal letters quite easily. Stay tuned. Good luck and goodbye.